Hello, kid. Today we are going to draw a cute unicorn. Are you ready? Okay, let's start it. First, we are going to draw a circle. With your pencil, another circle for the head, and rectangles for the leg. Okay, very good. Now use your marker to draw like this. This for the head, and for the body like this, a curve like this, another one here, and here. Now we draw the leg. Okay, here and here. Now we draw the tail of the unicorn. Okay, and the pony, the hair is very cute, right? Okay, little bit there, and the ear, forget the ear, like that. Look nice already. Now the horn, the eyes, and we draw a heart here. Now we will color. First the body, leg, the face, and the tail, and the hair, of course. And the eye, and the horn, and last you color the head, the heart. Beautiful, right? Okay, I think we have drawn a beautiful unicorn. Thank you. Bye.